Daily use English sentences with Urdu translation. अगली ट्रेन कब आएगी? When will the next train come? When will the next train come? आप कौन सा साबुन इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Which soap do you use? Which soap do you use? आप क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? मुझे बेकार लोगों की जरूरत नहीं है. I don't need useless people. I don't need useless people. मुझे आपके हर फैसले पर यकीन है. I believe in your every decision. I believe in your every decision. Believe का मानी है यकीन करना और decision का मानी है फैसला. आपको मेरा नंबर कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get my number? Where did you get my number? आपको मेरा नंबर किसने दिया? Who gave you my number? Who gave you my number? तुमने मेरी कॉल नहीं उठाई. You did not pick my call. You did not pick my call. इस फोन का टच काम नहीं कर रहा है. This phone's touch is not working. This phone's touch is not working. मैं दफ्तर में हूँ. I am in office. I am in office. क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं? Are you married? Are you married? Married के मानी है शादीशुदा. आपको किसने बताया? Who told you? Who told you? दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? हम जल्दी में हैं. We are in a hurry. We are in a hurry. हरी के मानी है जल्दी. तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? आप शर्मा क्यों रहे हैं? Why are you blushing? Why are you blushing? एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? ये गलती से हुआ. It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. Mistake की मानी है गलती. मैं सब कुछ संभाल लूंगा. I will handle everything. I will handle everything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.